let's see how it goes. So for right now, let's go jump into the fender eliminator that we have from CNC Racing. No, I'm not CNC, I'm sorry. NRC Racing, New Ridge Cycles. Let's go. Alright, here we have it. The fender eliminator from NRC, New Ridge Cycles. I just got this delivered in mail yesterday, so let's open it right away. And here it is, very well packaged with protection on top. Here we have it. This is the fender eliminator from New Ridge Cycles for the Streetfighter V2. This part goes on top like this, I guess, and this is the license plate holder, which has two positions. One, we can put it right over here as a standard position, and this can also be brought down over here as a tuck position. Pretty sure I'm gonna go with the tuck position because I think it's gonna be more clear and more nice, but it looks nice too. Let's try both. Let's see which one's gonna be better. Here we have installation guides, some nuts and bolts. I really don't have any idea how to do this, so I have my iPad here. So we are going to use this to see how to set up this on my motorcycle. So this whole thing is going to get removed, all of it, and this is going to be tucked right here, neat and nice. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, here I have found the instruction page. So the first thing we gotta do is to disassemble the lower section of the stock tail by removing the 4 Torx screws. It says pictures 1 and 2. There's no pictures in this thing, but it's okay, we got this. Pretty sure this one's gonna help us. I don't have professional tools with me, so I'm gonna use whatever I have over here to get this thing on the motorcycle in my shadow. So this is going to remove the 4 lower stock Torx screws at the lower step. Okay, so this is our tail here. Gotta remove the 4 screws. So must be that looks like an Allen key. Oh yeah, here it is. And if you can see or not, here's 1, here's 2, here's 3, and here's 4. So let's remove this by setting this thing in. Setting this out. There it is. Okay. 1, 2, the third one. Pretty easy, nothing hard in this thing. Just comes right off. Let's keep this here just so it's safe. Alright, so let's do one more. Alright, at the middle. Uh-oh. It's gonna be, oh no, I got it. Okay, so I messed up a little bit on this thing. So the one bolt on this part over here, and if you see it, this one over here is T25 and the other 3 are T20. So first of all, you gotta take out the T25, then proceed your way down to T20s. However, my dumb self took out the T20s first, and when I attempted to take out the T25, it would not come off because it's not balanced, right? So now I crooked this T25. This won't come out now because I tried it with my drilling machine and I messed it up. So now I'm manually trying to take this out because I already have this much out. I only need this bolt out to take the bottom part out so that I can take out the switches. So I'm just gonna do it manually like this. So know your things. Left, right, the middle. Keep that in mind because it's gonna go there. So just plugged out the left side light. After you plug it out, you can just easily take it out like that. Let's keep that on the table for the safekeeping. So similarly, I'm gonna take out the right one and the light switch then we are going to proceed our way to take off the whole tail. Since the bottoms are going to come off, I'm going to take off the whole thing at once. Alright, so once done, unplug the connectors is done. So we're going to remove the two 4mm Allen bolts and remove the whole entire section. So this thing is all out, everything is unplugged. So I'll need a 4mm Allen key. I think this is 4. Yeah, this is 4mm. So I'm going to try and see if this is going to come out my way, because the one I tried before didn't go as planned. Let's see if this time works. Oh, there it is. Easy. It's lubricated. Oh yes it is. Should put my gloves on, I think. Oh yeah, it's oily. There's another one over here. I hope I don't need to take the middle one out, man, because that thing is crooked. Okay. Ah, there it is. This one's out. It's done. Okay, this is also done. So I just pulled that one out, right? Metal tab. There's a metal tab. So there's a metal tab right in here. I have to pull it down, then up. You see? Everything's. So I'm gonna pull it, push it down first. Come on, come on. You see? There's the metal tab coming down. We're just gonna wiggle it until it comes down. Then there it is. It's down. You know, since this is done, let's try to get the bolt out now. It should be easier. You see, that's what I'm saying. It's gone. Like, it won't come out. Can't I just pull the thing out? You know what? I'm just gonna plug this thing out for a while. Let's see.
1 hour later.
A long time of trying to take this thing out manually, and 2 cuts later, finally I have the whole tail out. This thing was holding the tail inside. I don't know how I took it out. I just used a lot of force, put my fingers through the small gap. Finally took this thing out. I got some minor cuts in this thing, but that's nothing. Maybe it was the tail light saying bye to me, you know. So here we have the New Rage Cycles license plate holder and the side lights. So this is going to be here like this, I guess, like that. Oh, it looks 1,000 times better already. Look at this. Oh, I love this. It'll be here, and the license plate itself can be mounted in two styles, like standard position over here, or more tucked position, which is down over here, which is what I think I'm gonna go with over here, like this. It looks more neat like this, I guess, than this. Yeah, this looks way more better. So we're gonna do this. Okay, so here I have all the things out. I have categorized them according to the instructions that I have got here. It says for tuck location, take 2 M16 to 10 bolts, which are these M16 times 10 bolts, and 2 star nuts, and we do not need the block spacer, so we are not using this. Keep this aside. So this is what we're using. These are the caps that we had. So if we hadn't used it on this thing, we would have used on this thing. So these two will be open to get tucked in the bike. We can close this thing since we are not using the standard one. So I've capped this will include it as well. So 1 big one, 2 small ones is closed. So this we are going to put this thing in here. So it's gonna be like 1 here, 1 here. So this is how you do it. And there it is. Should be good. Oh yeah, no movement at all. Looks nice. It's gonna look way cool down there. Woo. Yo, yeah. Let's go. Fuck the connectors first. I don't know if you can see this while I'm doing it. This is the main light. And these two are the side lights. So I have DX and SX. Let me see if it's DX or SX. DX is right. So let's plug and play. Let's see. Alright, I've successfully wired SX to the left side and DX to the right side and the main white light. So before I put this up there, let's test this out so that I don't have to do the whole thing again just to make it right. Let's see. Oh, the white light is on. So I did that part right at least. Okay, let's check left. It's working. That's good. It's good inside, and that's working as well. All right, we got the plugs correct. So let's tuck the whole thing in there. So the metal part here, it doesn't go inside the hole like the OEM part did. OEM part went inside the hole that we took out by shaking. This one doesn't go there. I think this does a pretty good job in here. After minutes of working on it, I finally got the 2-3mm Allen bolts in. So these goes in with this, the 3mm ones. Finally got them in place. Screwing them. I think the difficult part was getting all the wires stuck inside. Goes nicely inside, like it's in the plain sight. You can see, and as I don't have a motorcycle stand, this being a bit tilted, it looks fine. Here is same distance. To fit it. No, I can't fit. It works. It works. So let's tighten these things up. Let's tighten it, and once we are done with tightening it, we can just go ahead and put the number plates on. Alright, here we have it. The new Red Cycles tail tidy. Absolutely, this looks way cleaner than before. The main plate is over here though. This is just my shadow plate here, just for the photo shoots and everything. The actual plate is stuck at the behind like this. So if I had to show you, it would be like this. But this is how it actually looks. Wow, it's so clean. Even like this, it's good. But anywho, let's power it on. Let's do a final check. The white light is on, you can see. And let's put the hazard light on. Here we go.